It's ISE 2026. I'm here with our friends on the PTZOptics stand. And John for the first time. Hi John, nice to meet you.
It's great to meet you.
So there's some PTZOptics news. You've got some new items.
Oh, we do. Coming later this year, we have the Power+Link.
Okay.
So the Power+Link's going to allow you to have wireless power to your camera over PoE.
Okay, so it's, rather than saying wireless power.
Yeah, I keep saying wireless power, yeah.
Yeah, let's say it's remote.
Yes.
It's a wireless box that you plug a V mount on.
That's right, yeah. So we have a partner here with SmallRig that's a V mount battery that connects to the Power+Link. So what the Power+Link will be able to do is via PoE, you'll be able to power your camera for about 6 hours for our 1080p Move SE camera, but you'll also be able to, with Wi-Fi 6, connect to over 100 yards to a Wi-Fi point. So that's going to allow you to connect not just with PTZOptics cameras, but any PTZ camera, really.
So if I've got, actually, yeah, a valid point. You
Absolutely
could use it with any camera.
Yeah, much like our
Not
SuperJoy.
that we want people to.
Of course, we use PTZOptics. Yeah.
But the next question, actually, and you mentioned the SuperJoy, so I can still control the cameras with the SuperJoy using.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, you can control your whole ecosystem of PTZOptics as long as you're connected to that network, whether with a SuperJoy, whether with a Power+Link, or multiple cameras even connected to the Power+Link. Absolutely.
How many cameras will it control?
So basically you can connect it and you want to have a network switch or another device connected to it. We've seen up to 3 so far connected at one time. So
okay, so in a if it's like a remote corner, we can put 3 cameras up and power and control them. Obviously the power will be less time, but
sure, absolutely, yeah.
Change the batteries over.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Shipping now?
Not yet. Later this year. We're looking around June. Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, we'll see you at NAB with perhaps some more information.
Yep,
perhaps
coming
some
very
updates,
soon. Yep.
And then soon after that, we'll be seeing delivery.
Exactly. Yep.
And hopefully in Europe as well. That'll be globally, will it?
Oh, of course. Yep.
Cool. So let's remind people of the website if they want to keep an eye on it.
Yeah, you can go to PTZOptics.com to learn more.
Brilliant. Thank you very much, John.
Thank you.
For everything else that we've been doing at ISE 2026, it's KITPlus.com.